Alright, we're gonna try Mac Pops by Macaroons Dubai style chocolate. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 in a pack. I got this on sale for $9.99. Original price is $13.99 from Costco. Put it in the freezer, but look how. I put this in the freezer, and now you're laughing. Okay, you wanna try it? We're gonna try it again for the second time in a row. I just woke up. I already bit this earlier. You're gonna see the part 1 later on. Okay. Why tastes like coconut?
Because macaronso.
Oh. That's why it says mock.
It also says Dubai style.
So it's macaron cookies with flavorful buttercream dipped on a side.
Man, Papa's
On a
Dubai
stick.
chocolate is better than this.
I can tell. It's fine.
It's an aftertaste.
It's almond flour, egg whites, granulated cane sugar, powdered cane sugar, pistachio, molasses.
Where does it say coconut?
Doesn't say any coconut bang.
Macaron, sabi ko.
Wow,
Itong nagbanggit ng coconut.
it's good. Can you lower that bang? Sai?
I feel like I tasted
Zach?
that kind of flavor before.
What can you say, Boo Boo,
Yeah.
about that? Do you like that?
Yeah.
Okay, you try this. Tell me how it tastes. Ano ba
Bro,
yan? Ano ba yan? Wala mo lang ka-feelings-feeling yung kain mo. How does it taste? Tastes like...
I think I need another one.
It tastes like what?
Too good.
It is good? Yeah, it's not bad, it's not good. But it doesn't taste like a cake pop. But it tastes good. Where's Cyrus?
There.
Tastes good. Even want one more. How many calories each? 140 calories each.
Can I get one more?
No! Eating too much. Where's Zach? Zai pala.
That's right here.
Zach.
This is coconut.
I know it's macarons, it says. But it's not green. Sorry again. My thing doesn't have a backbone. Maybe if you're gonna gift me some tripod. Okay.
there's no more. What?
How does it taste?
I don't know.
You like it, John? Look at him.
How does it taste, John?
Is it good? Yummy?
This is gonna be yummy for you for sure.
Yes, I know, right?
There. How does it taste? Oh, you want more?
It's like a cake. It's good.
I will rate this like 7.
Feels like there's coconut in it.
Yeah. It says macaroons.
What does it have to do
It
with
says macaron cookies.
It's not macaroon.
Yeah, I know. It says macaron.
Yeah, so
I don't know if that
What's the
has a connection.
That doesn't have any connection.
But
So if you're gonna rate it 1 to 10, what's the rate?
A 7.
Me too, a 7. A 10 for you.
I like. No.
So it doesn't have
John like it. This is the second one. Noah, you wanna
Can I
try
have
it? Alright, one more. You can get one more.
Thank you. Thank you.
So guys, for that. Well, the price for $10, it's worth the price because it's $1 each. If you buy this at Starbucks, it's expensive. So it's worth the price. $10. But the regular price is $13.99. For $13.99, I don't think it's still worth it. But I'll rate it to 7. It's not too impressive, but still good. All right, see you later.